Hey, what's up guys? Just want to do a really quick unboxing of this pet dryer that I got off of Amazon. I've got a golden doodle and he has got super fluffy hair. I have to wash him like every other week and it takes forever for him to dry since he has such thick hair. I wanted to get something that I wasn't using a hair dryer on. It was a little bit more pet friendly, I guess. And this allows you to be able to safely blow dry your dog and get rid of all that thick. If you have super thick fluffy hair, this allows you to dry it very quickly with a more projected style than a hair dryer would. But let's go ahead and get it unboxed to see everything that we've got in here. Alrighty guys, I've got everything unboxed and I can already say super impressed. It was super easy to set up and get everything together. Kind of show you about the base itself. This is how big it is. It's not super heavy. I think it's probably less than 10 pounds. You've got a pretty good sized length charging cord here. I'd say it's probably 6 foot or so. This is going to be a 2-prong style. On the top here, you're going to have your different adjusting or your settings, so you can change whether you want heating on or off. It heats up to, I believe, the max heat temperature is 135 degrees, which sounds like a lot, but it's really not compared to a hair dryer whenever you're blowing, blowing on your hair or whatnot. But you have the option to turn that on or off if you don't even want to have that setting. You've got a really nice adjustable knob here to adjust the amount of airflow, and it does not feel like a cheap nozzle. It actually feels very high quality, super smooth on the turning, so I know that's going to be built very well. And then you've also got your power switch on here, on off, which feels really nice. On the bottom here, you've got your actual feet. These are rubberized, so they're not going to be sliding around anywhere. It's rated at 60 to 80 decibels, which is not super loud. You're not going to be blowing your eardrums out or on it, which is really nice. I don't want something that's going to sound like a jet taking off. Getting the hose connected, some of you may have trouble with that because I wasn't sure if it was right or not. But whenever you get it, it's going to look like this, and the hose is going to have this ring on here that's just like this. So what you actually have to do to get it connected, like I said, there's just going to be this ring on here on the end of the hose, and you're going to pop that off just like that. If you follow the instructions, it's just going to pop off. Simply as that. You're going to slot it on here just like that, and then you're going to make sure that the side that has the little tabs on the end are going to be facing towards the vacuum. You're going to put it back on that same spot we were talking about earlier. You're going to have to stretch it a little bit, and then it should click into place. And you may have to bend it around a little bit, but it locks in just like that, and that allows it to lock in there. It's not going to come off at all. It's locked in there nice and tight. And then here is the end of it. The hose looks like you could probably expand this to maybe 6-8 feet or so. So you've got a pretty good amount of stretch here on the hose. I wouldn't be stretching it super, but it does have quite a bit of stretch on it there. You've got all the different attachments. So these are our attachments it comes with. You've got this style here, so if your dog has really thick hair, you can actually comb through there, and it's going to be blowing air out the end of these little tubes just like that. And the way it pops on, you just slot it on there just like that, and it's able to very easily lock into place. And then when you want to take it off, you just pull it off just like that. You've got a flat style here, so if you want to use a flat style, you got a more projected, which is going to force it in one particular spot. This is the style I like to use because I can hold like this here and just start blow drying him in one particular area, make sure he's nice and dry. That's typically how I like to do it. And then you've just got a smaller version of this one, which is just a more flat style. So it comes with, it looks like 4 different styles, which allows you to do whatever you need with whatever type of hair your dog may have. So if you guys are looking for a great electric air dryer for your dog, I would highly recommend you guys checking this out from DOPICT. Built very well, great reviews, high quality. I would highly recommend it.